The BBOUNDER Linkable LED shop light delivers very strong, crisp daylight illumination that easily replaces a traditional fluorescent fixture while using far less electricity. Its integrated reflector focuses the light downward, giving workbenches and garage bays a noticeably brighter and more even spread than bare tube designs. Installation is straightforward with hardware and a power cord included, so you can mount the fixtures directly to the ceiling or hang them on chains without special tools. The linkable design lets you daisy chain multiple fixtures in a row, which keeps wiring tidy and makes it simple to light a long garage, basement, or workshop. Because the fixtures are slim, lightweight, and fully integrated, they are easy to handle overhead and do not clutter the space the way bulky shop lights often do. Their cool daylight color and high output make them especially useful in task areas like workshops, utility rooms, and sheds where clear visibility really matters.